Dinosaurs, the magnificent rulers of Earth for over 180 million years, vanished from the planet approximately 66 million years ago. This sudden disappearance, marking the end of the Cretaceous period, is one of the most intriguing mysteries in Earth's history. What could have caused the extinction of these dominant creatures? The most widely accepted theory points to a catastrophic event, a massive asteroid impact. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't an isolated event. It was part of a larger mass extinction that wiped out nearly 3/4 of plant and animal species on Earth. This mass extinction event marks the boundary between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods, often called the KPG boundary. Scientists have gathered a wealth of evidence to understand this event, including geological data and fossilized remains. The asteroid impact hypothesis suggests that a massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, collided with Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This impact, now marked by the Chicxulub crater, unleashed unimaginable devastation. The immediate effects were catastrophic, triggering widespread wildfires, tsunamis and earthquakes. The impact released an immense amount of energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, detonating simultaneously. The heat from the impact ignited massive wildfires that raged across continents. Coastal regions were inundated by colossal tsunamis, while the shockwaves triggered earthquakes and volcanic eruptions thousands of miles away. The long-term effects were equally devastating. The impact ejected massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the Earth into a state of darkness and cold. This impact winter disrupted photosynthesis, causing a collapse of food chains both on land and in the oceans. Adding to the environmental turmoil were the Deccan Traps eruptions, a series of massive volcanic eruptions in what is now India. These eruptions, among the largest in Earth's history, spewed out enormous quantities of lava and gases over hundreds of thousands of years. The Deccan Traps eruptions released vast amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. While the timing of these eruptions in relation to the asteroid impact is debated, scientists believe they played a significant role in altering Earth's climate. The massive release of greenhouse gases contributed to global warming, acid rain, and ocean acidification. These changes put further stress on already vulnerable ecosystems. The combined effects of the asteroid impact and the Deccan Traps eruptions created a perfect storm of environmental disasters. The sudden impact, followed by prolonged volcanic activity, created a hostile environment that proved too much for many species to overcome. Section 4, A Changing World. Gradual environmental shifts. While the asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions were undoubtedly major factors in the extinction event, it's important to note that Earth's environment was already undergoing changes before these catastrophic events. Sea levels were fluctuating and continents were drifting apart, leading to changes in ocean currents and climate patterns. These gradual environmental changes may have already placed stress on some dinosaur populations. For instance, evidence suggests that dinosaur diversity was already declining in some parts of the world before the extinction event. These pre-existing vulnerabilities may have made dinosaurs more susceptible to the catastrophic events that followed. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't simply a single event, but the culmination of multiple factors. It serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth systems and the potential for catastrophic change. Section 5. Survival of the fittest, why some endured. While the extinction event wiped out the dinosaurs and many other species, some life forms managed to survive. Small mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish showed remarkable resilience. Their survival can be attributed to a combination of factors, including their size, diet, and adaptability. Small animals, with their lower food requirements, were better equipped to survive in a world with limited resources. Many survivors were omnivores, able to adapt to different food sources. Their ability to burrow underground or seek shelter in water provided protection from the immediate effects of the impact. The survivors possessed traits that allowed them to weather the environmental upheaval and exploit the newly available ecological niches. Their resilience paved the way for the diversification of life that followed. Section 6. The Aftermath, A New World Emerges. The aftermath of the extinction event was a time of profound change. With the dinosaurs gone, ecological niches were left vacant, creating opportunities for surviving species. The disappearance of large predators allowed mammals to flourish and diversify. The planet itself was transformed. The impact and volcanic activity dramatically altered the climate and reshaped the landscape. New plant life emerged, and ecosystems slowly began to recover, albeit in a vastly different form. The extinction of the dinosaurs marked a turning point in Earth's history, paving the way for the rise of mammals and the eventual evolution of humans. Section 7. The rise of mammals, inheriting a transformed Earth. In the wake of the extinction, mammals, once small and marginalized creatures, experienced a remarkable evolutionary radiation. They diversified into a wide array of forms and sizes, taking advantage of the ecological opportunities left vacant by the dinosaurs. Over millions of years, mammals evolved to occupy diverse habitats, from the oceans to the skies. They developed a wide range of adaptations, from the ability to fly to the intelligence of primates. The extinction of the dinosaurs, while a tragic event, ultimately paved the way for the world we know today. The story of the dinosaurs' extinction is a reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life. It also highlights the resilience of life and its remarkable ability to adapt and evolve in the face of adversity. The legacy of the dinosaurs lives on, not just in their fossilized remains, but in the remarkable diversity of life that followed in their footsteps.